Hi guys, myself Hruday and I'm back with a new DIY project video. And today in this video I'll be showing you to make a USB powered table lamp. So without wasting any more time, let's get straight into the video. So guys, the materials required for this DIY project is a white colored plastic container, double-sided foam based tape, insulation tape, cellophane tape, a pair of scissors, pen knife, a waste sketch pen with some wires, a USB cable and a circular LED and a carton box. So this LED, that is circular LED, can be taken out from a LED bulb like this. If you once open this cap, you will find this and you can disconnect the wires from the terminals and you can use this. So guys, here is our micro USB cable. We need this USB type A part and we can cut off this part. This is the micro USB part. So let's just cut this. We'll cut it over here. And now we'll strip this white color sleeve out of its place.
So guys, here I have just slipped out this sleeve from here, and as you can see here, there is an aluminum foil cover and there are 4 wires. A red color wire, white colored wire, green and black color. So we need only the red and black, that is the positive and negative for this project. We'll cut off these two from this place.
So guys, we are using this carton box in order to make an arm for our table lamp and also an arm holder. This is for the arm.
Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust.
So guys, I have just finished cutting all the required shapes for our lamp. So here is our arm for our lamp. This is 18 centimeter in length and 3 centimeter in breadth. You need 2 of them. And here is another shape. This is 9 centimeter in length and 3 centimeter in breadth. You need 4 of them. And you need the square, which is 9 centimeter by 9 centimeter. You need 2 of them. So guys, now let's make lamp head for our USB powered lamp. For that you need a LED, circular LED and a white container. And I'll be sticking this circular LED over here, and these wires will pass through this hole and it will get connected to the positive and negative wires of the USB micro USB cable over here, as you can see. Let's get started.
Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Guys, I have just finished doing this. As you can see, is our circular LED which is being stick to this white color container, and here is the positive and the negative terminal of this LED strip, and which is connected to the respective terminals, and here is a micro USB cable. We are using this old sketch pen in order to create a rivet between the 2 arms.
No, I don't want no rest.
So guys, here is our arm for the table lamp, and it's flexible. You can move it because of the rivet over here, which is being made using a sketch pen. You can move it, okay. And here we have the base for our table lamp, and as you can see, here is a kind of a cutout which is 3 centimeter in length. This is made as to insert this one of the arm inside this, so it gets fixed inside it and it stays steady. And I'll be taping this in order to support this structure. So guys, I'll be using these 2 cardboard strips in order to make another rivet between this arm of the table lamp and this head.
Going around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So guys, here is our table lamp. This is the base part, and here is the first arm, and here it is connected to the second arm with this rivet, which is made from using old sketch pen. And here in the same way I have made another rivet, and it is being pasted to this, we stick to this plastic container using a double-sided foam based tape. And here goes our wiring. Guys, I have used this double-sided foam based tape over here. I have pasted it diagonally. The reason is, whenever I keep this lamp on my table, it tends to fall forward. So I wanted to make it stable, so I have done this. Let's remove this and paste it on my table. Here we go guys, it's ready. Now let's put this light into action and let's see how it performs. So guys, as you can see, here is our USB powered table lamp, and let me show you a charger. I'm using this charger. The rating output is 5 volts at 1 ampere. I recommend you to use a charger with ampere equal to 1 or less than 1, because as this is a LED setup, the more ampere you have, the LED tends to heat up a lot. So I suggest you to go with a 1 ampere charger or a charger with less ampere. So let me just show you how it performs. Guys, here is our LED which is powered by a USB cable, and here as you can see it is connected to the charger which I showed you before, and here is our table lamp. The light output is good enough, you can study for long hours. Guys, here is our LED table lamp. I have kept this near to the wall so as to support the structure. I even used sticky tapes and I have pasted it to the wall in order to give it a more support. guys, as you saw, I wrote a paragraph under this LED cable lamp, and it was very easy for me to do so because the light illuminating from this is good, and you'll find no hesitation while writing or reading under this table lamp. So this was the last video for this year, that is 31st December of 2018. Tomorrow is New Year, so I wish all my subscribers, all my viewers, a very happy 2019 in advance. I wish all the best for your studies, all the best for your future. That was it guys for today's video. Make sure that you like the video, comment on the video, share it with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for this type of videos. Thank you for watching guys, and until then, this is your buddy Hruday signing off. Bye, and once again, a happy new year. May your dreams come true. Bye.